Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix PS5 not connecting to Wi-Fi and other network issues. So what I suggest you to do here first is to go to settings, go to network, and then go to view PlayStation status and look if the PlayStation servers is not down, right? So you can see here for me it's perfectly fine, every server is working, so I'm good to go. But if for you, for example, account management, store, or other server is down, all you need to do here is to wait. So another thing that I suggest to do here is to unplug your PS5 console from the power cord. Of course, first turn that off and unplug from your PS5 console from a power cord and hold it from 5 to 10 seconds, as well as your router do the same in the same time, right? And then log in, basically turn on your PS5 console again and look if problem persists or not. If the problem persists, go to settings, go to network, then go to set up internet connection. And here, what I suggest to do here is to press PlayStation button and don't forget your network, right? And then try to sign up again, put your password, and then basically connect with your Wi-Fi again. Then press PlayStation button, and then there is Wi-Fi frequency bands. So if your router is next to PlayStation, your PlayStation, for example, in the same room next to your PS5 console, make it to 5 Hertz, because it will be way faster internet but a less stable connection. If your router, for example, in another floor, in another room, something similar to that, use 2.4 Hertz only, because it will be a more stable connection, but you will have less speed, right? And if it's not helping, then go to advanced settings, go to, as you can see here, DNS settings, make it to manual, and then on primary DNS, first write 8.8.8.8, and on secondary DNS, write 8.8.4.4, and apply the changes and look if your problem persists or not. If the problem persists, on primary DNS, write 1.1.1.1, and on secondary DNS, write 1.0.0.1, and apply the changes, restart your router, restart your console, and your problem should be fixed, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it.